let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Philippine National Police Lady Patrollers. Let's start with our setter and their team captain at number 3, Patrolwoman Entezar Balcola. Middlebacker, number 5, Crisip Tucas. Another middlebacker, number 7, Cez Oliveros. Outside hitter, number 13, Kia Gomez. Opposite hitter, number 15, Patrolwoman Marilu Padilla. Outside hitter, number 20, Mila Ranquillo. Starting libero at number 2, Regisar Limshaco. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers, Senior Master Sergeant Rod Pinalba. Calling on our social security system, Pension Protectors. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 4, Paul Seya. Another outside hitter, number 9, Grace Reforma. Setter, number 12, Vera Guillema. Middlebacker, number 14, Machari Samoa. Opposite hitter, number 15, Janja Samosino. Middlebacker, number 17, RB Camacho. Starting libero at number 5, Rosel Anzalarda. Head coach of the Pension Protectors, Tan Eugenio. Is the Lady Patrollers versus the Pension Protectors. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
Okay, we have a battle between two teams that need to improve where they are in the team standings in the scheme of things. Especially now that the BFP is beginning to catch fire, so to speak. Something they don't want to do in terms of their occupation, but they're improving. They have now tied the Senate at 3-3. At ang SSS, isang panalo pa lang. Samantala ang PNP, they have 4 wins, 1 loss. They want to keep winning to stay in step with the rest of the field, although the Comelec now dropped to 4-2. Here we go, just about ready to start this battle. RB Camacho with the first point of the match.
Ganda naman ang puntos na yun. The switch happened while the ball was in the air. So kailangan receive muna.
Balcola is of course there, a setter. Chased down by C. Sang Muang. We have not said that name in a long time. Sang Muang's shot is out.
Strong hit there, but it went wide. Disappointed siya sa sarili niya.
And she apologizes to her setter, Pirame Guillema. Guillema, Pascual, Peña, and Sang Muang are the 4 imports for.
Nice set.
Yes, indeed. And that is a better strike for Sang Muang that gives SSS the early lead at 2-1.
There goes that cross-court hit by Sang Muang. She went over the blockers, kaya walang nagawa yung defense.
Into the corner. The whip. Oliveros. Problemado.
Good set.
Oo, nahabol niya. Balcola. And Padilla, surprise, the ball is still alive. Oliveros. Drop. Pwede. To the back row. Lots of business there. That's too long.
Parang second serve pa lang noon, ang haba na nung rally, no? So you kind of think, ganito kaya the whole time?
Let's see. Both teams need wins here.
Yeah.
Reforma serve. Salas is the libero today. Balcola returns it to Oliveros. And Princess Joy takes care of the second point of the PNP.
Medyo you could see, no, both teams nag-a-adjust pa sila sa tempo
Correct.
ng ano nila, ng sarili nilang galaw. Kasi parang they're trying to figure out paano bang takbo ng kalaban.
That's exactly right. Lim Shakur is the other libero for the PNP. That shot by Sang Muang, handled well by the back row. Here's Ronquillo, gets it to Bai.
That was a good setup for the attacker, no, si Ronquillo. Ang gusto niya yung mataas yung bola
Yes.
para nakakapag-adjust siya.
Kung sakali mang maalanganin, makaka-adjust siya, no? Kia Gomez, who has also been playing well of late, see? Mangcola sets it for Oliveros, and it's delivered. 4-3. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, ang ganda nung ginagawa ni Bangcola. Iniikot niya yung bola. Kapag maganda yung first ball, pinapa-under niya yung middle para mabilis ang atake.
In the meantime, Gomez unable to get her serve clearance. We're tied at 4, and the serve will now belong to the setter, Vera May Guillema. Bangcola sets it up for Ronquillo, and Ronquillo has been a good deliverer of late.
Yeah, you know si Ronquillo, once she gets her hand on that ball, tapos full yung kapit niya,
Yep.
you can, rest assured, matindi ang palo.
Good things will happen, ha? Etukas, by the way, is also there. It's off the block of Etukas, but they could not contain it. The SSS is tied up this first set.
There were two blockers for Sang Muang. Ang ganda ng setup. But, krinos-court ni Sang Muang yung, yung tira niya, and the blocks were for down the line.
That's inside on the jump of a try by Etukas. Watch this.
There goes that. Ito yung sinasabi na lahat sila pumapalo.
Yes.
Kaya kailangan bantayan.
Sarap maging center para sa PNP actually. Lahat weapon.
Oh.
This is long. Padilla always tends to serve long, you know. And the serve creates the tie. We're knotted together at 6. Pauline Joy C. Ang hirap ng angulo. Did she get it?
Yeah.
It's inside. Wow.
Alam mo si Ronquillo, when she's given the ball, laki-laki ng smile niya parate. Parang she's just so happy to hit that ball.
Thank you. I have a set. I will strike. Just like a little girl enjoying the game. 7-6. PNP. Oh, miss-hit. But the PNP bungles it. We're tied at 7.
Good hit by Reforma. The blockers were there, pero yung bola niya, no, it was, mas matindi yung bola niya kesa sa dun sa pagka-push ng blockers for it to be stopped.
Correct. Janice Samosino with her serve.
Good coverage.
Nice dive. Oh, Reforma gets tied up and overcooked shot by Etukas.
Parang ito yung game kanina lang, Comelec and BFP. Very close.
They will start. Is that Ira with the lights on? Ira, go.
The PNP Lady Patrollers are looking good so far, being number 2 at our UVL standings. And for Coach Rod Pinalba, malaking tulong talaga yung nadala nitong detailed order para sa PNP. Although wala sila masyadong budget for a solid and experienced import, malaking tulong daw itong detailed order dahil nakuha daw nila yung mga marunong maglaro from the regional areas para mapapunta dito sa Manila at maglaro para sa UVL. So unlike last season, ngayon nakabaraks na lahat ng Lady Patrollers at araw-araw talaga silang nag-e-ensayo. So their main focus is really magpalakas lang and really do good here in the UVL. Balik sa inyo.
Wow!
So may love life pa ba sila, Ira? May love life pa ba sila? Yun ang interesting. Gusto kong malaman kung may love life. Tawa ni Ira, ang tawa niya talaga. Pakialamero talaga. 9-8. Aha. Sinole. Sabi ni Bangkola, ayan! Take that!
Malaking bagay pala talaga yung detailed order, no? Because even the players from the region now,
Yeah.
they have the opportunity to be here in the
One of
UV League.
Yeah, because last year one of their problems was keeping the team together
Right.
for training and getting them together. Although they had a good run last year. Reforma with a shot. Down the middle we go. It stays down. Oliveros, Princess Joy, our best player the last time around, makes that count. And we've got a timeout. Let's listen in.
Umaangat pa, mabagal. Pwestuhan nyo muna. Pakita kayo dun sa butas ng blocker. Kayong dalawa, cross-court yung palo eh. Diyan, depensa lang dun. Pag di ka magdadak, baba ka. Para yung sa iyo yun, sa'yo na yun. Di, puntos tayo sa. Receive muna.
Alam mo yung SSS, malaki ring network. Nationwide yan, di ba? Maraming paghuhugutan ng player yan.
That's right.
Okay, ano nangyari ng timeout niyo?
Bilisan yung pace. Parang ang mabagal eh, yung galaw ng SSS ngayon. So I think it's due to tinitingnan nila yung galaw ng PNP.
Yeah.
Sinabi nga ni Coach, kailangan bilisan na nila yung pace nila. They should dictate the pace.
Because itong PNP, when they fall into a rhythm, they have nice movements. They have good choreography on the floor, actually. Tukas with the serve. Guillermo. That's a wicked and a fast-paced strike by the SSS.
At yan ang gusto mo pag coach ka. After the timeout, bilisan ng pace. Sabi ni Camacho, alright,
I will.
I'll do it.
SSS comes within 2. Camacho serve. They reach for it. It is inside. And the PNP, quote-unquote, this does not sound right. The PNP steals a point.
That's a good push by Bangkola.
Hindi tamang ano eh. Parang kugulo nito mga pulis na ito. Yung pag ako hinuli nyo sa daan, hindi ako makikinig sa tawa ng tawa yung mga yun. Samantala yung serve ni Tin ay short. 12-10, lamang pa rin ang mga babaeng pulis. I like it. They also have a profession, no, as police women.
Yes.
Marami sa kanila officers na actually. Ronquillo working the back row. Here's Gomez rather. Seiya. Sangmuang standing spike. Block attempt. No. The back row unable to handle it. Grace and Reforma burned in the back row.
Si Oliveros doing a good job from the middle para dito sa PNP. Always ready on her toes.
Again, she has already scored 4 points in the match of the 13 of the police women. Seiya will dig it over high into the air. Bangkola sets open for Ronquillo. Oh, that's a double contact.
Yeah.
Clearly so. Salarda unable to handle it well. Must be interesting and challenging for Sangmuang, who has played with so many different teams, both in her home country of Thailand and in the Philippines.
Oh, national pa, di ba? Naging team captain pa. So, she has reached the highest level for volleyball.
Saka alam mo naman, ang Thailand, #1 in the Southeast Asian region, already playing in the VNL in the world.
Yes.
And one of the top 10 teams in women's volleyball in the world. In the meantime, Seiya gets it to cross and a crawler.
Seiya with a little bit of help from the net. There goes that high setup from Sangmuang. And she goes for a cross court actually. Sumabit lang dun sa net. Pero...
Nakatulong.
Oo, nakatulong.
4 ang lamang ng PNP. Salas is the other libero for the PNP. Lim Shaco is the other one. Sangmuang whips it inside the goal.
Ganda
Wide
ng
open.
push. Yeah, ganda ng push ni Sangmuang.
And she's probably playing her age, you know? Diba? Papitik-pitik, diba? I don't have to jump up so high. I'll play smart here.
Parang sa basketball, di ba? Pag may
I guess
edad
so.
ka na, So, mangbubulang ka.
Yeah, si Ronnie Magsanag. In the meantime, this is short. Sabi nga ni Ronnie Magsanag, puro likod na lang daw nakikita niya pag naglalaro siya ng pick-up. 16-12. Habol si Guillermo. Nice drop. Sabi ni Bangkol, layas kayo dyan. Drop. Reverse ni Etukas. Tinaas. Ronquillo, steady as ever. Saya. Back row. Did she get it? Out. Ira, ano meron? Ira?
Absent for today's game ay si Hazel Magpantay dahil naka-duty daw siya ngayong araw. So a while ago, I was talking about the detailed order and the regional areas na players na nandito ngayon sa Manila. So isa na dyan si Ces Oliveros. So she came from Davao and dahil nga sa detailed order ay nandito na siya sa Manila para mag-focus sa UVL. And on her behalf, doon daw sa PNP Davao, merong ibang mga police corporal that took over her duties para nga makapaglaro siya dito sa UVL. So she's been in PNP for almost 7 years already and gaya nga ng sinabi ko, she is a police corporal at talagang police talaga yung trabaho niya. Rumeresponde tuwing may mga gulo at may krimen. So nandyan agad si Ces Olivero. So right now, she's just enjoying na nakapunta siya dito sa Manila para maglaro ng volleyball and of course, carrying the name of PNP. Balik sa inyo.
Parang nadidinig ko nagre-report si Ira.
Tinatawagan si Princess Joy Oliveras. Sumanguni ka.
Di ba?
May nangyayari dito. May kaganapan dito. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari.
Samantala, 1913. Time out ang SSS. Makinig tayo.
Yung moral nila.
Kami pumalo, cover. Pero simulan muna natin sa receive. Pag receive, follow tayo, maayos ha. Kaya bulin natin isa-isa.
Kapen.
Isa-isa.
Assess!
Di, palit.
Huwag niyo sabayan yung bilis nila sa kabila. Okay. Ano natin yung facing natin. Natapos mo naman. Pumesto lang. Dahan ulit tayo ha. Dahan ulit. Isang magandang ano.
Ganda nga nung timing ng timeout na yon. It was really to stop the momentum ng PNP. Kasi on a roll na sila eh.
Hirap kalaban yung confident at saka yung feeling good that wants to get away, that seems to get away with everything they want to do. Itong PNP has that capacity. At based sa report din ni Ira, kung may banding pa sila sa barracks, they're even a better team nowadays. In the meantime, ang lakas na naman. Pero ito, Cargado, she's gonna be proud of that.
Ang laki ng improvement ni Padilla from the first season. So it's really fun to watch these players, how they have leveled up.
Padilla already with 2 aces and she brings her team to 20. Cargado talaga serve. If she gets that under control, she'll be so lethal. Good set by Bangkola. Camacho makes it a set. Pascual heaves it over. Bangkola recycle. This goes up. Pascual. Saya to the back row. Padilla. Bangkola. Sino ang papalo? Sunog sila. Camacho doing a great job.
Yes, si Camacho masipag siya at the net. Talagang galaw siya ng galaw. Kung nasan yung hitter, pinupuntahan niya eh. Kung sino sa tingin niyang titira.
Saka may height siya eh. No? Kaya pag lumundag siya, lalampas siya sa net eh. 6 lamang ng kupunan ng PNP. The serve slides in. Bangkola. Ronquillo denied. Salas is there. Ronquillo one-hander. Cut shot. Nicely dug up. Top. Tinaas ni Etukas. Oliveros. Hanggang bukas tayo rito pagka ganito na ganito. Sige. Set. Samusino. Reforma. Bangkola. Pascual. Reforma. Joust!
Good dig.
Usually sa error matatapos itong mga ganito eh. Hindi sa palo eh. Oh, pero ito, palo talaga kinuha. Say unable to keep it in play.
Yeah, si Ronquillo, one of the go-to players ng PNP. Pag sa kanya binigay yung bola, parang confident ka na papasok yung putos para sa team nila.
Para mapapatay ka agad yung bola. She has produced 4 points already. Ronquillo. And there she is with the serve. Ooh, too hot to handle for Pascual, and it's bungled by the SSS. PNP 3 points away from the finish.
Nagdalawang isip si Camacho doon because I think nag-mind din si Guilleme.
Oo. Which is second ball ba yun?
Oo.
Kaya setter. Reforma finds an angle. Pinalo sa likod. Seiya is there, right there. Seiya wants to attack. Problemado, but they'll have to send it over cleanly. It's lifted by Guillema. Camacho. Good night.
Camacho getting that ball from the middle. Ganda yung talon niya, and when she hit that ball, she really target for the end zone.
Might as well use her strength eh, no? Para hindi na makuha. 7-point lead.
Ooh, nice serve.
That'll work. Samosino.
Low and fast.
6-point lead by the Lady Patrollers, the Lady Responders. Gomez, Guillema, Camacho. Picked up by Salas. One-hander, Reforma, dump. Etucas, Bancola, Ronquillo. Camacho denied.
Yeah, that ball did not go over, kaya considered 4 touches yun.
PNP with a 7-point lead, 2 points away from the end. Velasco comes in for Reforma. And 2 other players will come in for SSS. It's Gomez. And number 7, Susan Larion.
Kanina maganda yung sinabi ni Guilleme. Sabi niya, huwag tayong susunod sa pace ng PNP. Kailangan tayo gagawa ng sarili nating pace.
Good point, yeah. And it might be the best time for the PNP to close this with players who are very cold, who are on the floor. The coach will make a change here. Si Jamie Peña, nandyan na pala. But not in time. Camacho. Bungled by the PNP. Bancola could not contain it.
SSS stays alive, and now merong substitution.
Jamie Peña, who's quite a player as well, will come in. She's a little like a Miss Volleyball who referees games. It's an announcer, does everything. She's like a little, she's like a Chiqui Pablo. 24-17. Peña serve, sails in nicely.
Good dig.
Yes, dug up by Gomez. Bancola, runner, Oliveros.
Good save.
Jamie Peña reaches Samoyang, gets to it. Bancola goes away and keeps it away from the blockers, and it's 25-17. PNP sealing the deal. Chinaga ng PNP, no? They set the pace, Chiki.
Yeah, from start to finish, they were very confident in their movements. Parang everyday sila nagte-train eh. And maganda talaga yung nagawa nung detailed order.
Okay, we'll have the second set ready for all of you regardless. Yes, we'll be there.
Okay, so this is the match between PNP and SSS, and the first set went this way. 15 attack points sa PNP versus 9 lamang sa SSS because they had good first balls. Napa-under nila yung middles nila, yung wing hitters nila. Service aces, not much difference there. Also the blocks. Ang errors, mas na-control ng PNP yung errors nila. Mas madami nga dito sa SSS, which, you know, when you have more errors, it stops your momentum eh. And then, ang result nun, it dampens your spirit. Kaya, bumabagal tuloy yung pace ng game ng isang team pag yun yung nangyayari. So, entering the second set, kailangan ingayan siguro ng SSS, no? Yung kanilang pag-uusap inside the court just to bring that energy level up.
They have to decide that the pace of the game should be theirs, no?
Yes.
Which was an issue which Guillermo, the setter, pointed out earlier.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, SSS will occupy the left side of the floor while the PNP, which took the first set with confidence at 25-17, will be on the right side of your picture. Alam mo, when you're confident, you can get away with almost anything.
Right.
And a new face is on the floor, number 9 for the PNP. This is patrolwoman, or rather Police Corporal Caressa Vicente. Diba? Corporal.
You know, I just wanna point out, no, si Ronquillo, smile siya ng smile inside the court.
Yeah.
And she's just so happy she's playing.
But
Diba?
I have a dig. I will block. Kaya meron yung ganun joy of the game.
Yeah.
In the meantime, referees checking if everything is in order. We'll have Tin Bancola, the setter of the PNP, serving to initiate action for the second set.
Nice save.
Nagawa ng paraan. Bancola rushes to her position. Oliveros capitalizes on the disarray.
Oh, si Bancola, alam na niya kung ano yung gagawin niya. Maganda yung set, alam niya nagkakagulo. First ball pa lang maganda, nagkakagulo yung depensa. Gitna para mabilis ang atake.
Correct. This is long.
Yun lang.
Tin Bancola, who's such a bundle of energy.
Yes.
She's a good leader for this team. On the other side, let's go with Reforma. Grace Ann all set to serve. It glides in cleanly. Bancola makes it a set. And Vicente gets it to bite.
Ang ganda kasi nung set ni Bancola eh. Nung tinaas niya, hindi umiikot yung bola. So kung ikaw yung hitter, di ba? Talagang hahampasin mo yun eh.
Dead flat. Spin. Walang ikot.
Oo.
And the back row is hard at work. Sang Muang will hook it back. And Ronquillo. There's a smile. There's the smile. Tingnan nyo. Yeah. Tingnan nyo yung smile.
Ito yung player na talagang come what may, ang laki ng smile niya sa mukha.
Yeah.
Inibigyan siya ng bola.
Sana ma-meet natin siya sa kalye. No? Patrol woman on the floor. Ronquillo. Hi, ma'am. Hi, boss. Hi, ma'am. He smiled siguro. Samosino is back on the floor for the SSS. The serve by Gomez. Set up by Guillermo. Samuang. Spin by Lim Shaco. And Ronquillo, look at her smile.
Yeah. Good call there by Bancola. Ang layo ng pinanggalingan ni Bancola eh.
Correct.
Pero hinabol niya yun. Tapos tingnan mo, rules are rules. Second ball tosser or setter, kaya tumabi si Ronquillo. Napandar nila yung play.
Indeed. Pareho tayo ng generation, ano? Second ball tosser. Oh, that died in the water. And now PNP will meet at 5-1. You can actually hear your coach yell at you, no? Second ball, tosser yan. Second ball, setter yan.
Kaboses mo si Louie. Hepuela.
Pangit yun. In the meantime, Ronquillo. Samuang.
Good up!
Oh, double contact.
Ang baba ng kamay niya eh. Sa chest area.
It's more of a catch and pass.
Right.
Catch and throw, which is the social name of lifting.
It's the FIVB term.
And it's the social call. Ronquillo denied. Lim Shaco is there. The reverse set. Outside. SSS gets its third point.
But you gotta love what Bangkola's doing. Inikot niya yung bola. First, nag-outside siya, tapos binigay niya sa opposite para pinapatakbo din niya yung net defense ng kalaban.
Lambot din ng toss niya. Lambot ng delivery niya.
Oh, ganda ng kamay.
Mga ganun, mga Janet Serafica, mga Michelle Cobb, yung mga malalambot yung bitaw.
Yes.
Oliveros with the serve at 6-3. Seiya. Bangkola makes a clean set. Samuang jewels at the net. Block and well done.
Yeah.
Seiya kept it in play.
Good attack there by Seiya. Even if the two blockers were in front of her, no fear.
So Toy Samuang will be serving. Pachari. I'm just saying that full name. Seiya to the back. Bangkola kneels down for it. Pachari chasing it. Don't waste it. Pachari seemed to be saying, wap, overset. Overset yun. I would give the gap either that or a scrape of the net, which it is. Bound to happen eh. Medyo sloppy yung passing na yun ng PNP. Rare occasion for them to bungle up their passing. Toy with the serve. Ronquillo. Sangwang says, seen that, done that, know that. Oliveros stretches where Ronquillo loads up. And it's too hot to handle.
Si Ronquillo, nag-down the line siya, hindi gumana. Nag-cross-court siya, dun gumana. Iniiba-iba niya, pinapakita niya sa atin, meron siyang diversity in her attack.
Yes, and Bangkola seems to like her because the pace of the game is faster when she goes to Ronquillo. Vicente serve is in play. Goes to Bangkola. It becomes a set for Oliveros. Bangkola says, oh boy, I can also do that.
Oo, ang ganda naman nun. Alam mo, pag setter ka, gustong-gusto mo yun eh. Kasi you rarely score, diba? You're always letting your attacker score. So, big smile from Bangkola.
Ay, walang tao dun. Ronquillo. Nice move by Etukas. Joust at the net. Etuka, it was either Seiya or Etukas touching the net.
Parang nauna si Seiya mag-touch sa net. Ganyan din yung nangyayari when you're aggressive eh. When you wanna stop the attack, napapasabit ka sa net.
9-5. Good shot.
Yeah. Pag makabuelo si Camacho, nako, nakakatakot ang mga palo niya.
She's in a good place and she can deliver. She has 5 points in the match so far. 9-6 score. We have Seiya serving. And Pauline serve is in play. Gomez got to it. Ronquillo keeps it in play. And Ronquillo says, let me try again. It's elevated, but it's Bangkola who says, let's just pass it over. Good dig up by Caressa. Oh, it's down and out.
You know, if you watch Ronquillo, whether the ball is far from the net or very close to the net like that one, walang problema eh. Nag-a-adjust siya eh. Kung malapit sa net, binibilisan niya yung approach.
Tayo po ay nasa 10-6. Camacho. Lingshaco. Ooh, it's out of play.
Again, Camacho, the go-to player of SSS aside from Sangmuang.
Ira has an update. Go.
For the pension protectors, being 1-3 in the standings, sunod-sunod nga yung talo nila, nakita talaga ni Coach Jonathan Eugenio and the rest of the coaching staff na mababa talaga yung moral ng kanyang mga players. So their role as coaches ay i-motivate itong kanyang team. So ang ginawa nila, they arranged a lot of tune-up games para magkaroon ng maraming game opportunities yung kanyang mga players. Doon nila unti-unting makuha yung kumpiyansa nila, and of course, para hindi daw sila mabigla agad pagdating sa game. So sabi ni Coach Jonathan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-guide niya sa mga players, and of course, they're always encouraging the pension protectors. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Ira Pablo. 12-7 is the count here. The PNP has a 5-point lead.
Important talaga yung experience, no? Yung playing.
Yeah. Playing gives you that confidence, and to some, even a swag, actually.
Yeah.
Ooh, great drop by Bangkola. Magkagulo kayo dyan.
Alam mo alam mo na confident siya dun sa hulog niya na yun.
Exactly. And with the count at 13-7, actually, we find the timeout by the SSS.
Wala kayo sa kukuha sa likod. Chris, kung di ka re-receive, magsabi ka dito. Para tatakpan ka. Hindi yung hintay mong malaglag sa gilid mo. Anim na ulit yan. Bawi tayo. Isa-isa.
Dapat uwi natin, ha?
Sa depensa lalo. Gano'n ka ng galaw eh. Kasi nabubutasan kayo eh. Tapos yung score, inahayaan nyo na lang lumayo eh. Wala na tayong ginagawa eh.
Abo lang tayo sa bola.
Uy, tulungan nyo yung receive mo. Huwag nyo hayaan lumayo sila kasi may magkakabol.
Kumbaga, in other words, let's get the show on the road. Parang ganon eh. Yun lang yung sinasabi nila. You know, go for the defense, go for the attacks, play your game. Ito na. So now, PNP up to serve is Etukas.
Yes. The confidence barometer is tilting towards the PNP. It's up to the SSS to rise. Maybe that will help. Camacho has been the shining star with 8 points so far.
Yes. Yan, yung mga tira ni Camacho will help bring the momentum, yung energy level up. Kasi nga, medyo mabagal pa rin yung galaw nila.
That is so true. Camacho serve, well placed. Bangkola, Oliveros, door is shut. Gomez gets the end line, the corner. She has a real estate title to that back part of the court.
Oh, sobrang pasok na pasok yun. No doubt about that.
If you're on the other side, bagsak-balikat ka din. Inside. Sangmuang. Ronquillo says, I got it. Go away. Gomez makes it a blast. Guillema. Sangmuang.
Oh,
yes!
good up!
Yes! Yes! It's still alive! You don't want to waste it! It's out! And the kick. Look at Ronquillo's stop.
Kasi pwede naman yun eh. Any part of your body can be used to keep that ball alive. And that time, she used her foot.
Kamay, paa.
Balikat.
Ewan ko na alam. I forgot it. Oh! Sangmuang can get it across and will make it 16-8. The PNP has an 8-point lead. You know, I think the coaching staff may have nothing more to say in the timeout that they have not said already.
Yeah.
This is a speedy serve that has pace. Sangmuang trying to get some action going. Gomez, it's blocked but it's out.
Si Gomez pag tumira talagang full force eh. Kakalabanin niya yung blockers kasi alam niyang kaya niya.
May lakas din siya. Ira?
Coach Jonathan Eugenio was talking about RB Camacho. Sabi niya sa akin na si RB talaga yung main spiker ng SSS and she really plays dominantly para daw nga siyang import maglaro. But unfortunately, before the start of this season, natapilok daw itong si RB and nagre-recover pa rin siya until now. So she's not playing 100% at nakikita ni Coach Jonathan na medyo inaalalayan niya nga itong pagtalon niya at pagpalo. So right right now, RB is playing well. Paano pa kaya pag na-overcome niya nga itong kanyang injury? Sev and Chicky?
Thank you very much. Gomez, in the meantime, ends up short and the SSS has its 10th point.
You know, you would really think na si Camacho import. Diba? Hindi ko iisipin na local.
And alam mo, naglaro dati somewhere. Organized volleyball.
Organized volleyball.
Hey, that's a great hit by Vicente. That's Caressa. Vicente makes it 18-10. Alam mo, tama ka eh. Sa PNP, kahit sino mong bigyan mo ng bola, may mangyayari.
Oo. So, tatlo ngayon na malalakas itong hitters ni Bangkola.
Oh! Services!
And Gomez is also a threat from the service zone, hindi lang dito sa attack line.
19-10.
There's that shank.
Sang Muang handled well by Gomez in the back row. Ronquillo. Sang Muang makes it a set. All-in shot right there in the middle. Camacho digging it up cleanly. Sang Muang. Bangkola. Battle at the net. Sang Muang gets it to go.
Sang Muang using the blockers to get that point. Mahaba-haba na naman yung rally na yun, but she ended it with an off-the-block hit.
Two subs come in, Simborio and Paginado for the PNP. Ronquillo will dart out. Bangkola will also hit the bench. (19-11). PNP hardly threatened here. Salas is there, Simborio. Villema keeps it alive. Seiya. Paginado. And the joust. Sang Muang using her extension.
Oh, kailangan kung si Sang Muang yung nasa harap, mas mabilis kang umakit sa bola para maunahan mo sa joust.
Or ilayo mo sa kanya.
Oo.
Pero,
or abangan mo na lang sa baba.
Napaka-experience lang, ano? Alam na alam niya kung saan pupunta yung bola.
Oo.
Villema. Gomez makes it a set for Simborio. Sang Muang doing a good job of covering the net. Habol. And Toy ends up short.
I think she was thinking whether itetip niya over or itataas lang niya to setter.
Good question.
Kakampi.
Good proposition. But it's an 8-point lead by the Lady Responders. Into the middle. Big hit, but managed well. Kahit anong anggulo, no?
Oo. You know, si Paginado, magaling din siya na setter, ha? Iniikot niya yung bola, hindi lang siya sa isang tao.
And SSS needs to huddle up.
Ang hahabol na yung nasa gitna. Paano yung pinapractice natin na tumatakbo tayo sa kaliwat kanan na receive? Ganun doon natin i-adapt yun. Ha?
Chris, kailangan yung dumipensa. Hindi tatapat sa inyo yung bola. Dipensaan nyo lang, ang dadali naman ng bola, hindi naman malakas. Nawawalan sila ng receive. I-over lang nila ng spin. Kunin nyo lang na mataas para maset natin ng daan-daan. Habol tayo, ha?
Habol! Balik sa isa.
Score stands at 21-12. PNP still very much in command of this second set, Chicky.
Very important kasi yung first ball Kaya sinabi ni Coach Dan na kailangan mataas yung bola para makakaset. Kasi pag nag-receive ka ng bola, tapos sharp naman ang pagbigay mo sa setter mo or pinapahabol mo pa yung setter mo, nalilimit pa rin yung attacks.
In the meantime, we have Tejada seeing action for the first time. This is patrol woman Leticia Tejada, one of the veterans of this team.
Yeah. Good save.
And it turns into a point and even a bigger blessing. 21-13, but still a lot of points to overcome here.
Oh, ang ganda naman ng angle na yon. Kanina pa, even in the past games, pag doon nalalagay yung bola, hindi nakukuha.
Hindi, mahirap pabuling dyan.
Oo.
Samwang. Tough spike. Tough angle to work with. Camacho loads up. Oliveros is there. Simborio battles.
Oh! Nagkatinginan si Oliveros at si Gomez.
Mahirap sumigaw ng mine dun sa sitwasyon na yan, ha? Kasi ang bilis ng bola, eh.
Oo.
Mine ka dyan. Wala ka sa forma, eh, di ba?
Right.
Simborio tosses it over. Lead reduced to 7. Samosino sends it to the far end. Tough shot. Caressa takes care of it. Drop. Simborio. Pagdin. And we're taking a long while here. Blocked. Down and out.
Actually, mataas pa yung bola na yun eh. When it hit the net, pwede pa yung mas-save.
Actually.
Ayan o, ang taas pa o.
Gomez and Oliveros are still talking about that 2 points ago. Forget na kayo, move on na kayo. Paginado. Sinole out ito.
Ang synchronized naman ng jump na yun for the block.
23-14 PNP now with the end in sight. Ilgema with also a soft touch. Paginado as well. Simborio dumps it over. Camacho. Paginado. Tejada. Sabi, minsan lang ako titira. Agawan mo pa ako. Mas ka dyan. Simborio. Oh, well done by the libero on the other end. That's Salarda. At nagkagulo ang PNP.
Seo, walang problema. Dalawa yung blockers sa harap niya. They were close to each other. Halos walang gap, pero nahanapan niya ng gap.
Tapos walang libero pa in play in that sequence. So, Seiya. Paginado. Simborio. She better strike it because it's easily managed by SSS on the other end. Paginado.
Oh.
2 straight points by the SSS. Lead pruned down to 7. Pauline Seiya still serves. She changes her perspective. Down and out. Tejada gets it to bite. And we arrive at set point.
Si Tejada, very, ang hinhid nung tira niya na yun. Kung kailan pababa yung blockers, doon niya pinasok yung bola.
Simborio serve. Long.
Yeah.
Seven-point lead by the Lady Patrollers. Gomez sees an empty spot, but it's filled up by Reforma. Reforma hits it high. Ayaw ng bola kay Gomez. Vicente is there.
Nice.
Tejada with 2 points. And enough to close the deal of the second set. Tejada, what an entry coming off the bench.
Whether it's Paginado or si Bongkola, ang ganda ng communication between the setter and the hitters. That's why they were able to run different kinds of plays.
Exactly, and we will have the third set. Can the PNP sew it up all together in straight sets, or will SSS manage to come and stretch this? We'll find out. scores for the first two sets, 25-17, 25-17, and the Lady Patrollers of the Philippine National Police have a 2 sets to love edge going into the third, Chicky.
Wow, the attack points ng Lady Patroller is 15 as opposed to just 8. That's because nga, lahat ng players nila pwedeng umatake, mapa-front, mapa-back. Tapos ang ganda, mas maganda yung first balls nila. That's why they're able to run their middles. They're able to go for the opposite. Ang dami nilang choices. Service aces din sa kanila. Kaya this time, ang SSS really needs to be faster in their movements and in their reaction.
They have to seize the rhythm of the game early. Momentum, because they're allowing the PNP to dictate the traffic flow. They're the police, so they probably know what to do. But you know, yung confidence ng PNP, kita mo no? Yung galaw nila iba, they're smooth
Tsaka alam mo, yung setter nila, si Bangcola, or well, this time it's Paginado, confident siya na ibigay sa hitters niya
Tawa lang ng tawa nga ako minsan. Paginado. Close to the net. Oh, yes! They gotta get probably Toy going here.
Beautiful set. Maganda na naman kasi yung first ball. Kaya ganito yung resulta ng atake.
To stretch this match, they gotta get Toy going here.
Yes.
PNP bungles it but manages to get it over the net. Samwang taps it with a standing spike. This is inside down the line.
When she attacked that ball, may running, so meron siyang momentum when she hit that ball.
Nobody home when she rang the bell. Guillema with an awkward position. Samwang rams into the post, keeps it alive, and they return it to her. And Lim Shaco keeps it in play. Going almost exclusively now to Samwang. I need points.
Kita mo yung communication between Samwang tsaka si Guillema
They need production here.
Hiningi ni Samwang yun
You can criticize us about being exclusive to each other, but we have no choice. Drop by Simborio again. Good dig by Ronquillo, but it dies in the water. Nakataligod si Paginado.
Ang ganda pa naman ng dig. You know, kasi second ball setter kaya nagdalawang isip yung si Gomez.
That is inside. This serve in play. Naku, baba ng kuha. Hulog. Nagkagulo ang PNP.
Wala namang problema. Nagawa ng paraan ni Samwang.
Yeah.
Pero you know, kanina pa habol ng habol si Guillema for that second ball.
Ang hirap naman itong buhay nito. alam ko naman, ang trabaho ko, iaabot ko dito kay Toy. Ano ginang pahirapan ako? Ayan, si Guillema. SSS with a 2-point lead. You know, huwag magsisiguro itong PNP. May chance itong SSS if this woman gets it going, and she does.
Ganda ng set ni Guillema. Kabisado niya si Samwang.
Guillema knows where Toy wants
her
sets. And she's serving pa. And she has to scamper into her position down the middle. Recycled offense. Same.
So ngayon, talagang like what you said earlier, talagang concentrating the attacks on Samwang. Paano she delivers naman talaga.
(6-2) ang ating bilang. It's hard, no? Sometimes pagka dalawang set ka na, biglang natural human reaction. Okay, we have a lead. But rare moment in this set. for the SSS to fall apart on that play. Oliveros, Princess Joy. Too tight. Samwang. Well elevated that time. Tabijan. Paginado. Why not? Return. Saya has a hand on it. PNP trying to fight back everything that Samwang has delivered, and it's out of reach.
Good decision there by Paginado. Hindi lang siya outside nagsiset, but went for a back set right there.
And suddenly she told Simborio, go for it.
Yeah.
Si Simborio kasi nagtotoss lang eh. Naku, problemado.
Oh.
Sabi na eh. First ball disaster.
Oh, ito yung si Guillermo is really doing everything she can to put that ball up. Talagang hinahabol niya talaga eh. Kailangan mabigay ng SSS talaga sa kanya yung ball.
Literally abot, but
Yes.
like in that case, she has to adjust. Back row at work. We have Gomez there. Ronquillo making do. Makes it the set. Ronquillo blasts away. It's in the air. Saya gets to it. Long rally, the first one of this set. Guillermo keeps it in play. Hinabol ni Salarda. Nice drop. But Camacho dives for it. Finally Tejada rushing into the net.
Parehong team, ang ganda ng defensive pattern nila. Very smooth yung transition from defense to offense. Doon lang natapos. Pagka long rallies talaga, error na eh.
Pag long rallies, hindi hataw eh. Usually error ang magkakos eh. SSS in confusion as to who plays what position. Navarro suddenly realized, I have to be on the floor. Camacho. Oh, look at that dive on the other end. Gulo. Navarro is out of reach.
Good controlled hit there by Ronquillo. Ganda rin naman ng big.
She's the leading scorer with 9 points. Gomez is second. Serve belongs to, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Simborio will serve. Look at the name, Charlemagne. Simborio.
Charlemagne. So siya, fighter talaga.
Oh. Aha! Regalo.
Oh!
Magkagulo kayo dan, sabi ni Paginado.
Ganda nung decision ni Paginado. Nakita nga niya, nagkakagulo pa eh, yung floor defense ng SSS, kaya binalik niya agad.
Bakit pa natin ipapasa? Di-score na natin agad. Tabla tayo sa 7. 3-point lead of SSS has dissolved. Samwang. Camacho denied. Entry by Tejada.
Lower coverage there. Yun yung importante din eh. Because alam mo naman na merong blockers ang PNP.
You know, Tejada is a tall woman eh.
Yeah.
She can man that middle. Ira, go ahead please.
The PNP Lady Patrollers are feeling themselves in this game already at talagang high spirits na talaga itong mga Lady Patrollers. During the set huddle, nagkakantahan sila, nagsisigawan because their assistant coach is also celebrating their birthday today, si assistant coach Polly Hill. So during the set huddle kanina, hindi na sila nag-usap-usap at talagang nagkantahan na lang sila at nagtawanan. Balik sa inyo.
Wow, happy birthday, Assistant Coach Polly Hill.
Yep, and let's listen to the SSS.
Lagi, depensa, pagdepensa, depensa. Pagka nagdepensa tayo, commit agad. Depensa, ganyan din. Hindi na ganyan ulit siya agad. Sige, bawi. Dalawa lang yan. Kaya pa natin yan.
Kaya natin.
Ay, ang hirap-hirap mag-coach. Galit na galit ka na, contain ka pa.
Parang, sa volleyball.
Parang parenting, galit na galit ka na. Contain pa.
I was gonna say, sa volleyball, bawal talaga yung nakatayo. Kailangan lagi ka nakabend.
Ano yun eh, parang love yan eh. Constantly committed. You're moving.
Yes.
Have you played badminton also? No?
Yes.
Have you noticed that when you play badminton, you play it like volleyball?
Oo.
Yung movement mo, no? I had a partner sa badminton dati and we would naturally move para kami volleyball. Nagkamali ako minsan sinet ko para sa kanyang badminton. Natawa na lang kami. Pinalo!
Ano, nakascore kayo?
Oo. Not counted. Dalawang hit eh. In the meantime, PNP beginning to create a bit of distance here. It's 10-7.
Aggressive serve there, coming from Simborio. Oh, good.
Hinabol ni Samosino. Tejada unable to hammer it through. Saya lifts it very high. Hinabol. That's inside, and Ronquillo making the game look so easy here.
Yeah. Si Ronquillo, kahit anong palo niya, parang nothing to it. Pero yung pala, ang tindi ng training. That's why she's able to do all that.
She has 10 points to lead all scorers in the PNP. Simborio, long. Kuminsan yan. Hindi because they want to score, kundi pagod na yung delivery. Hindi mo na matansya.
Nag-overcompensate ka tuloy.
Ay, naku, nabitawan ko na.
Oo.
11-7. Hello! Si Paginado sa niya, gusto ko na umuwi! Dadab ko na to! Reforma will come in for Navarro. Hinihila ni Guillermo si Reforma.
Oo nga.
Hindi ka dyan.
Defense muna.
Second ball to me. Reforma, attack.
Nice.
She got it.
The blockers were there for the cross court. Sarado yon, so she went for a down the line. Lusot ang bola.
Saka tama sabi mo, bawal matulog sa ball. Basa ka ng basa.
Oo.
Endlessly, endlessly.
Yes. Nababasa mo yung bola when you're close to the ground.
Oh, yes, indeed. That's a good point. In the meantime, that serve is too much. And hindi tumawid para kay Samosino. Tumawid, pero malakas. Ito si Tejada who has contributed coming off the bench. Tejada, believe it or not, has chipped in 5 points. Regalo. Tinaas. Camacho is there. But to the back row, Ronquillo calmly lifts it high. To the open space. Saya chases it. Guillermo says, alis dyan. Why not? Ang galing din yung Paginado mag-set, ha?
Oo, pagaling din nga. Correct. Parang ang hindi rin nawala si Bangcola, eh.
Boy, can you imagine how they practice, how they train?
Yeah.
Parehong magaling yung setter mo.
Oo.
Lundagan ang lundagan lahat, ano? Tejada. Oh, yes, sir!
What a serve by Tejada. Look at that. Biglang drop yung bola niya.
Barbie Tejada. Reforma makes it a blast. Paginado wants to go home, trying to rush everything. Reforma. Tejada. Paginado. In rhythm. In rhythm.
So you think si Paginado will go for the nearer attacker, but no, she goes for the outside hitter para hindi pa naka-establish yung blockers.
Yes, Ira. Ira?
Isa sa mga nadagdag dito sa PNP Lady Patrollers na galing probinsya ay itong si Kia Gomez. So she came from Holy Trinity College of General Santos City at nakapaglaro siya sa Prisaa during her collegiate days. So dito sa PNP, she is in charge of supply and finance. So she is a supply clerk So she is in charge of liquidating and monitoring the material sa PNP. And sa finance naman, in charge din siya mag-budget ng mga allocations ng PNP. So for example, may mga operations sila, yung mga gas at yung iba pang gagastusin. Pati na rin sa mga office work, yung mga papel and other office materials na kailangan nila, siya rin yung nagbabudget. So dalawa ang kanyang trabaho sa PNP and this was her first job right after graduating from college. Balik sa inyo.
Sino ito? Si Princess Oliveros ba ito?
Si Gomez.
Si Gomez.
Oo.
In other words, siya ang reyna ng resibo.
Oo. Kaya naman pala masipag.
Okay. Mahirap ng trabaho yan.
Oo.
Kolekta ng resibo. 7 ang lamang ng PNP. Samo yan. Overcooked. Pero pumasok. Sumalok pababa at the last moment.
Ayan, nabuhayan na ang SSS. That Sangwang is back in front.
Pinalo, hindi tumawid. Yung attempt na yun ni Kia Gomez. Bangkola will return. She will pull out Paginado, who's done a good job.
Yes, I agree.
Bangkola. That's outside. Oliveros apologizes to the team. She missed it completely. Had the right intention on the slide, but missed.
Bibigyan yan ulit ni Bangkola para makabawi.
Hindi umabot sa setter. 3 ball. Yes, well done. And the lead is sliced down to 3.
Yeah, si Sangwang saw that the libero, si Salas, wasn't in place. Kaya doon niya binigay, nakatayo. Quick point for her team.
Coach Rod calls a timeout for the PNP.
Huwag yun na pahabulin, ha? Mabot po tayo ng 4 set, pagod na kayo. Isa lang yun nagpa-block.
Ma'am. Pahiwalay, yung first attack natin, pahiwalayin natin yung blocker. Ang sulod lang mo, ang PTS ng pieces. We gotta see, ha? Wala kang blocker, iwan natin yung press, ha? Tara! Depensa lang. Konti lang yan. Hey, let's go! PNP! Team!
Coach Rod with a reality check. Huwag nyo na paabutin ng 4 sets, pagod na kayo eh.
Oo.
Reality check yun, ha? And that's a good read, actually.
Oo. And you know, sabi nga ni Bangkola kailangan patakbuhin nila yung blockers.
Oo.
So alam mong si Bangkola nag-iisip, hindi siya tira lang ng tira.
Yeah.
But she watches the defense of the opponent.
Nakakatakot kasi pag uminit ito si Sangwang. At saka Guillermo is such a wise setter as well. She's playing porsyento volleyball, which is understandable. They need points. They need to equalize, actually. Uh-oh. Bangkola tracks it down. Cut shot in play. And where am I going? Here. Salas. Free ball. Down the middle. Yes. And the lead is down to 2.
Yun yung gusto mong iwasan na uminit si Sangwang. Na yung connection nila ni Guillermo mas lalong maging matibay. You don't want that because it's gonna be dangerous if you're PNP.
But if you're SSS, you'll go to the well until the water runs out. Bangkola, that's blocked. Salas, however, wise to it. That's not gonna work. And look at this, it's a 1-point game here in the third.
When you're attacking, you shouldn't really overthink. Kailangan tirahin mo kung kaya mo, diba? Hampasin mo yung bola.
Much as a 4-point lead has dissolved here. Camacho waiting for permission to serve. High-octane serve into the back rows. Seiya, we're going here, almost exclusively.
And here comes the SSS Special Protectors.
The block is there.
Yes.
But, you know, someone, such a veteran, hit it high. to avoid the blockers. Good serve! And look at this, the SSS is in the lead.
Ayan na, ang SSS, umiinit na sila. And ito yung gusto mong iwasan kung taga-PNP ka.
Bangkola trying to be a leader. She gives the signal for the play already. The attempted slide does not connect. Back row. Long. Blocked!
Aggressive attack there from Sangwon. Alam mo, yung block nga ni Sangwon is kahit na siya, offensive block. Offensive attack yun, kahit na block siya.
The dump, the chase, the dig, the set, the wide. Seiya keeps it in play. The joust and the win by Oliveros.
Nauna si Oliveros sa atake dun sa joust. There you go.
Bangkola serving. Oh! Look at this. We are tied. Boy, you're already in the lead and then you fall apart. Boy, anybody's set now. Then Bangkola, the setter. Sangmuang, free pass, free ball. Why did you hit it straight into her hands?
Right. You have to watch kung saan yung blocker. Nandiyan na ba yung blocker para maiwasan mo. And Sangmuang, she's a smart player. Hahabulin at hahabulin ka niya.
I feel ni Oliveros, she was getting away with everything kanina nung hindi bumablock si Sangmuang eh. So that's why she went for it. 2019. Long. 2-point lead for SSS.
They're asking for a touch. Simborio, but none is given.
I don't think so.
Well, kung pwede sumubok.
Why not? Why not?
Reforma.
That's outside and PNP stays in the hunt. Gomez.
Ito na.
Well handled by the back.
Yeah, good call.
Bangkola drops. Nagkagulo. Chinek. Kung lalabas. Ronquillo brushes it against the block and we're tied.
You know, kaharap na ni Ronquillo si Sangmuang. There were two blockers in front of her, but she went for the smaller blocker. That's why she was able to get that point.
It could be crucial in the course of this third set. 21-all. Camacho, it's a free ball. Chance for the PNP to attack. They don't. Free ball. Bangkola. Inside. Inside. Is it outside? It's overruled. It's overruled. It's outside.
Ayan, tingnan natin. There's that hit. It went over the blockers.
Yes,
outside.
It is outside.
Outside.
One-point lead by the pension protectors. Salas is there.
Oh!
Disaster.
Yeah, that's why you have to watch where your setter is. Tapos ibigay mo sa kanya. You can't just receive, put that. Or, kung talagang hindi ka maka-adjust, taasan mo yung bola para merong time na mahabol ng setter.
And that doesn't work when you jump.
Yeah.
You better do the two-handed dig. Camacho. Oh, good dig, but that time
Yes.
kept in play by Oliveros. Now nope. Pancake didn't cook. Anybody set here?
Let's see, na pancake nga ba? Hindi. The ball landed on the ground before the hand.
That's in. I don't think there's question about it. $23 all. Anybody's set here.
Yeah.
Simborio is taking too long. No chance to attack here.
Ooh.
Sang Moyang is on the back row. Seiya. Bangkola. And we arrive at match point. Timeout by the SSS. Let's listen in.
Papunta sa inyo yung bola. So ganito, pagka-receive natin, isa-set sa inyong dalawa or kay Janjan, paluin natin. Huwag kayong matakot magkamali. Paluin nyo. One stop. Next step to. Palo tayo, palo. Okay.
Go for you, Sam! Set!
Palo ah.
Sabi nga, diba? If you're gonna go down, you have to go down fighting. Yun. So, paluin. Pag nabigyan ng pagkakataon, tirahin yung bola.
Yeah, don't play, I love using it. Don't play patty cake.
Oo.
You gotta strike hard. This is your game on the line here. Simborio will serve for the match. Good serve. Camacho. Handled well by the back row. Is this it? Sang Moyang says no way. Seiya. Back row hard at work. Bangkola. Sang Moyang is there. Camacho. Alive. And no. It's tied at 24. Everybody was backpedaling eh.
Oo. Masyadong mababa yung set ni Tejada. Mahirap mabulin yun.
Tejada, I think, didn't know what to do at that point.
Pwede.
Nagulat siya. Uy, first ball. 24 all.
Outside.
Nako, second match point now for the PNP. Etukas will come in for Tejada. Second time to serve for the match. Ronquillo, regalo. They could not pounce on it. Still alive. Camacho. Bangkola. Gutsy stand by SSS. PNP would not be denied, Chiki.
Yeah, you know, very fluid, very smooth ang movements ng PNP. They came in here prepared. They knew SSS, they knew the weaknesses and the strengths of SSS, and, you know, they dictated the momentum of the game from start to finish.